Liam, quick question. Why do so many English learners sound totally fluent until they talk about the past?
Oh, because three little words completely destroy their confidence.
3 words?
Was, did, and had. Most people mix them up every single day.
And if you are watching right now, yes, you, stay with us because in the next few minutes you will never confuse these 3 words again. Ever.
Zero confusion, we promise.
Floating topic bubbles.
Grammar, fluency, speaking, listening.
Liam, I have a student question for you today.
Oh, I love student questions. What is it?
Okay, so a listener wrote to us and said, Sophie, I know was, did, and had, but when I am speaking fast, I completely forget which one to use.
Oh, that is so common.
So common, and honestly, it is not their fault.
Not at all. Most textbooks just give you a grammar table. Past simple, irregular verbs. Memorize this list.
Boring, completely boring.
And confusing.
So today, we are going to do something very different.
Very different. No tables, no lists.
Just pictures in your mind, real situations, real feelings.
Exactly. And by the end of this lesson, was, did, and had will feel completely automatic.
Automatic, no thinking required.
So, listeners, take a breath, relax your shoulders.
Yes, drop those shoulders. You are safe here. No pop quizzes.
A fun one, I promise.
Okay, fine. But first, the big idea. Liam, give them the big idea.
All right, here it is. Was, did, and had, they are all past tense. But they each carry a completely different feeling.
A different feeling. I love that.
Was talks about a state, how something was.
Did talks about an action, something you actually did.
And had talks about something you owned or experienced.
So they are like 3 different cameras filming the past.
Oh, I love that image, Sophie. 3 cameras.
One films the mood, one films the action, one films what you had.
Perfect. Let us start with the first camera.
Camera 1, WAS.
WAS. Was.
Now close your eyes for a second. Picture this.
Okay, eyes closed. I am ready.
It is Monday morning. You come into the office. You see your colleague and she looks completely exhausted. Dark circles, tired eyes.
Oh no, poor colleague.
You walk over. What do you say?
I say, are you okay? You look tired.
Good. But then she explains. She says, I was at the hospital last night.
Oh, was at the hospital.
Do you hear that was? It is not an action. She did not do anything dramatic.
She was just there. That was her situation.
Exactly. Was describes a state, a condition, where you were, how you felt, what something was like.
So, I was tired. She was nervous. The meeting was long.
All states, all conditions.
So, was is like a photograph.
Yes, a photograph of a moment. How things looked, how things felt.
I love that. Was is a photograph.
Let us try a few quick ones. I was so hungry before lunch.
The traffic was terrible this morning.
She was really happy about the news.
He was late to the meeting again.
All photographs, all states, all feelings and situations.
D-I-D. Did.
Now let us change the picture completely.
Okay, new picture. What do I see?
You are in the same office, but now it is Friday afternoon. Your manager walks in with a big smile. She says,
We got the contract. Oh wow, exciting.
everyone starts clapping. Then she looks at you and says, you did an incredible job on that presentation.
Oh, you did an incredible job.
Did you feel the difference? Did is about an action, something that actually happened, something you completed.
So it is not a state anymore. It is a movement, something you did.
Exactly. I did the report, she did her best, they with the work.
It is a video, not a photograph.
Oh, I love that. Did is a video, something moving, something completed.
So was is a photograph, a frozen moment. Did is a video, something that happened.
Perfect description, Liam. Let us practice a few.
I did all my emails before the meeting.
She did a wonderful job on the project.
We did our best, but the client was not happy.
He did not finish the report on time.
Did is very satisfying to use. It feels like you are ticking a box. Exactly. Task completed. Did.
Now there is one special use of did that confuses a lot of learners.
Oh yes, questions and negatives.
Yes, when you ask a question in the past, you use did.
Like, did you call the client?
Did she send the email?
Did they finish the project?
And for negatives, I did not understand the meeting.
She did not come to work yesterday.
They did not agree with the plan.
So did is a helper in questions and negatives.
Exactly. Did does two jobs. It talks about completed actions and it helps you ask and deny things in the past.
Busy little word.
HAD. Had.
Okay, one more picture. Are you ready?
Imagine it is a Sunday morning. You are sitting at a beautiful breakfast table. Fresh coffee, warm toast. The sun is coming through the window.
Oh, this sounds wonderful.
Your friend calls you and asks, "Hey, how was your morning?"
And you say,
I had a really lovely breakfast.
I had a really lovely breakfast. Oh, had.
Do you feel the had there? You owned that breakfast experience. It was yours. It happened to you.
So had is about things you owned or experienced.
Exactly. I had a great meeting. She had a terrible headache. We had an amazing time.
It is like possession of an experience.
Beautiful way to say it. You possess the memory of that experience.
So let me think. I had coffee this morning. That means the coffee was mine. That experience belonged to me.
Spot on. And I had a meeting at 9. That meeting happened to you. You experienced it.
I had a bad day. I had a wonderful holiday. I had no idea.
All experiences. All things you carried with you in that moment.
This is blowing my mind a little. Had is like a memory box.
Oh, that is perfect. Had is a memory box. Everything you kept, owned, or experienced.
Was is a photograph. Did is a video. Had is a memory box.
Those 3 images will stay with you forever, listeners. Write them down.
Okay, Sophie, I think it is time for the smart comparison.
Yes, same situation, 3 different feelings.
Situation 1. You arrived late to work.
I was really stressed this morning.
Did, I did not catch the early train.
I had a very long commute.
3 sentences. Same morning, 3 different angles.
Shows your feeling. Did shows your action. Had shows your experience.
That is incredible. Same moment, completely different words.
Let us do one more. A business dinner last night.
The restaurant was absolutely beautiful.
Did, we did not order dessert. Too full.
Had, we had a brilliant conversation about the new deal.
Photograph, video, memory box.
Sophie, I think it is time.
Error lab time.
I will say wrong sentences. You have to fix them. And listeners at home, play along.
Ready. Give me the worst.
Okay. Yesterday, I have a meeting at 10 o'clock.
Oh no! Common mistake. Fix it. Yesterday, I had a meeting at 10 o'clock.
Perfect. Try this one. She did tired after the presentation.
Did is an action word, not a state word. Fix. She was tired after the presentation.
Excellent. One more. Did you had breakfast this morning? So in a did question, the main verb goes back to base form.
Exactly. Did you have? Did you go? Did you see? Not did you had, did you went, did you saw.
Important rule. Did questions always use the base form of the next verb?
Always. No exceptions.
Okay, I think it is time for the role play.
Oh yes, let us put it all together in one real conversation.
This is the movie scene.
No explanations. Pure natural English. Ready?
Action.
Hey Liam, how was your weekend?
It was really nice, actually. We had a family dinner on Saturday.
Oh, lovely. Did you cook?
I did, yes. I made pasta. It was not perfect, but everyone was happy. Did you watch anything good?
I did. I finally watched that documentary you recommended. It was brilliant.
Oh, I am so glad you had the time to watch it. Was it what you expected?
It was even better. I had no idea it would be that emotional.
And cut.
Count them. Was, did, had. Everywhere.
Completely natural. No stopping. No thinking about grammar.
Because when you know the feeling, the word comes automatically.
Photograph. Video. Memory box.
That is real English fluency.
Okay, quick mental summary. Lock it in.
Was a photograph of a past state or feeling.
Did. A video of a past action. Also used in questions and negatives.
Had a memory box of something you owned or experienced.
3 cameras filming the same past.
And our golden sentence for today?
Oh, I have it. Your past tells your story. Choose the right word to tell it well.
Your past tells your story. Choose the right word to tell it well. I absolutely love that.
Because was, did, and had are not just grammar. They are the way you describe your life.
Beautifully said.
Now, listeners, homework time, but fun homework.
The best kind. Here is what we want you to do.
Go to the comments right now, open them up, and write 3 sentences.
1 sentence using was. Tell us how something felt or looked yesterday.
One sentence using did. Tell us one thing you completed this week.
And one sentence using had. Tell us one experience you had recently.
We will read every single comment.
If you make a small mistake, perfect! That is what the comments are for.
The Error Lab never closes, because that is how real learning happens. Not in silence, in practice.
So do not be shy. Drop your sentences below.
Was it helpful today? Tell us that too.
Did you enjoy the lesson? We hope so.
And did you notice what we just did there? Because once you feel these words, you use them everywhere, automatically.
That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
Keep practicing. Your English is getting better every single day.
Remember, was, did, and had are not grammar rules.
They are 3 cameras filming your beautiful past.
Use them well. See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.